Welcome guys, and back to the Crypto Kings YouTube channel. And in today's class we'll be talking about teaching us how to trade on the AAX Battle Field. So you go to your home page, and if you're on the mobile app using the mobile phone, you'll see Battle on the home page. On the website you can actually see Battle here. You now click on the Battle and it takes you to the battlefield. The battlefield is actually very interesting. It's actually options trading. Most of us actually know what is options trading. So here in crypto AAX Exchange, you actually have that offer, and it's actually quite cool, and it's also very risky. And I always advise, if you're not a pro trader, if you don't know technical analysis very well, don't near this angle, so you don't actually lose your funds, because here is actually a aspect of life and death, whether either you win or you lose. There's no two ways about it. So let's go straight into the video. You can actually see how it actually looks like. So now this is battle. Under the battle, you can actually trade only two pairs, BTC and Ethereum pair, and on using what the 1 minute time frame. So under 1 minute you are done with the trade. You either lose or you either gain. So it's very technical. It's very technical, and it's most likely like gambling. So you actually have to have the knowledge of technical analysis. That what makes you different than the normal gambling. So here we on the home page on the battle, you can actually see it actually also helps us show us different prices of Bitcoin on different exchanges like Binance, Kraken, IOB, FX, TX, and a lot more other exchanges. So you can actually compare the prices. So for this, like I said, you actually have to have the knowledge of technical analysis. So for this purpose, you actually trade with the 1 minute time frame. So I actually go to use my trading view BTC pair, and I set it to a 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, and I use that for my analysis. So how does this actually work here? It's actually quite very simple. You can see here shows you your progress. If I want to close this order, you can actually unfold, or then you actually need a stable network connection, so you actually see what you're actually doing. Then here over here we see, okay, let me close this back. Here you can actually see the battle. Under the battle, it shows you the settlement history, and I told this everything is every 1 minute. So you can now see settlement history, the prices of the coin at every 1 minute interval, where Bitcoin has been at every 1 minute interval since we are trading with the Bitcoin pair. So that's it. Then here under the battle is where the main deal happens. Under battle, you can actually trade in this. You can actually now trade with maybe using your USDT. You can use your USDT or use AAB. If you actually use AAB, that's AAX token, you actually have 4% earnings. Yeah, that's a discount, yeah, given to you by AAX Exchange using their token. We also have BTC and we also have Ethereum. So any of the pairs you actually have, you can actually use to go into this. Then yeah, you can actually input the amount you want to use to go into the battlefield, the amount of dollars you are ready to risk. Yeah, if you click on this, it actually helps you to, in case you want to actually input it manually, or if you go back here, you can actually choose which one you actually want to risk. Then you can see bullish odds is $0.7. If you go for bullish, this is what you gain, $0.7. If you are risking $1, if you go for bearish, that the market will go bearish, this is what you gain, $0.8. So they actually fluctuate. And if you are losing all the $1. So it gets here, it's very risky. So you actually have to do a lot of research. So let me do a little research, and this is not really much of research because I'm actually just using it for teaching. So I'll just go for sell short. I think from what I'm seeing here, sell short. So I'll go bearish $1, and it scales me a confirm order, and it has been activated. Now you can see it's activated. The red line shows where I entered the trade. That was the entry price, open price of $41,901. So if it falls below that, before it gets to this green line, it shows I've actually made profit. Like you can see right now under my in progress, you can see I'm already on profit. But if it crosses back above the red, I'm losing. I will lose. But if it continues this way till it gets to this green long bar, it shows I've made profit, and the trade I've made profit, and it has been yesterday. Okay, no, I don't think it's the green is going to be under this settlement, the next settlement. Yeah, because I started here when the next settlement, that's 1 minute time. So whatever. So you see, you have to do good analysis. So you don't lose. I believe this one I might actually make profit because it's falling, and I believe it continues that way before it gets to my settlement. So yeah, it got there and I made profit. You can see I made profit. This is the next settlement, a profit. So now I can actually say, let's say go bullish. I'll say let me go bullish in the next 1 minute. Let's see if I'll still be profit. I'll make profit. You can see it starts. Yeah, it starts right now. I'm losing. It shows for the green, for going bullish, it shows blue, this blue line. So if it's above this blue line, I'm on profit. If it does not go above that, I'm losing. Right now you can see I'm losing, and I'm losing all the capital I actually use. So you see it's very quite technical, and you have to be very careful. You have to do good analysis. You see this one, I didn't actually even do any analysis. I just looked at the chart. So you see the first one I did analysis, I just checked it and I saw okay, it's going to fall. But this one, after entering the trade, most times I advise don't double trade, don't over trade. As I enter that first trade, I have just left it, the market for example, or I do analysis again to confirm where the market is heading to. So that makes it not to be gambling. You get to you see I've lost it. Due diligence in doing analysis is very, very important, especially when you come here, so you don't lose your funds. So under wallet you can see your total. Under orders you can see battle orders and see the total trades you have made, your profits and everything. You can actually see that there. So there, so it's loading. You can see these are all the trades I made so far, profits and losses and the rest. So you can see it's quite interesting. It's a good one, and you can make money fast. You can actually make money fast and also lose money fast. So please do your research, don't over trade, and I believe you can actually stay profitable. If you got value from this content, please do well to like, share and subscribe.